perspective from a solution point of view. So far, more than a dozen COVID-19 vaccines from over 100 candidates globally are currently being tested in humans. However, no vaccine has yet been approved for commercial use. Recently, Bharat Biotech has claimed to have successfully developed India's first COVID-19 vaccine called Covaxin and said it has the permission from the drug controller to start human clinical trials. Now, how does Covaxin compare to the other vaccine candidates around the world, and where does it figure, and where can you place it in the global race for a COVID-19 vaccine?
Right, a very important question. And just to give you a perspective, that vaccines in the past have taken up to 10 years to actually create and be successful. So we are on a fast track because of this pandemic all across the world. We're definitely on a fast track across the world. And there are 150, last count was 150 vaccine under various stages of trial, out of which 20 have actually reached the human phases, which is called phase 1, 2, 3 studies. And out of which only 3 are in the phase 3, which is large human studies in all sorts of patients. So where does India stand? So India's Covaxin is, say, in that 20 of the 150, which are at the moment under various stages of investigation. India has 6 or 7 companies actually looking into various types of vaccines. The Bharat Biotech, which is in association with the Virology Institute of Pune, as well as under direct interactions with ICMR, is the front runner of India, should we say. The different types of vaccines, Covax is a very promising vaccine. It has to go into the phase 1 and 2 studies, which means dose ranging studies looking at safety and efficacy, then into a larger group looking at safety and efficacy. And then comes the phase 3, which is literally thousands of patients of all sorts, elderly, young, etc. Because of phase 1 and 2 are healthy volunteers. The rest go into every aspect of the community, to 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 people, looking at its safety and efficacy. That's the time frame. And however much we may shorten it, we're still looking at a few months of a time frame for the development of a vaccine to be available to human beings. So in general, it is thought that for us to actually have a vaccine available is going to take, by the end of the year, at least the fastest track can be end of the year to have a vaccine. Now, which vaccine is going to be successful is the next question. We are actually at the moment fast tracking it in the sense that even when even when it's in phase 1, 2 trials and the safety and efficacy haven't been proven, the companies have the ability to manufacture large doses the moment it got proven, rather than have a stepwise manner where you first prove it, then say, okay, let's set up the manufacturing facility. Now let's start manufacturing the vaccine. All that has been fast-tracked by investments into saying the moment it's proven, we will have thousands and thousands and lakhs of doses available for rapid production and institution.